guys! Good day! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mayie Maylabs. And for today's episode, I'm going to show you how I did this kind of fresh summer plus glowy glass skin natural makeup look. Medyo mahaba siya guys, I know. Pero ang gusto ko lang ipahatid is how I achieved this fresh summer at the same time having glowy glass skin and making it more natural, diba? I hope you're all fine, staying safe at home. And for sure you're safe because you're watching my video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, Mayie Maylabs, and click that ring bell button for more notifications in my upcoming videos. And if you want to know how I did this, please keep on watching. Hello! So this is my bare face and wala pa akong kahit anong nilalagay. I'm wearing a turban para maaliwalas at walang nakaharang na buhok sa aking mukha. I make sure na malinis ang mga kamay ko bago ang lahat. First, prepare and massage your face with a jade roller as it helps products penetrate deeper into your skin. For a more glowing effect, cool it inside the fridge overnight, and that's what I always do. See? Now, you can apply your skincare. For me, I only used toner. It depends on you kung gusto mong mag-moisturizer after this. I have oily skin, that's why I don't need too much moisturization. And skincare is the key for more glowing and natural makeup look. It's important na mag-lip balm muna para ma-moisturize ang lips while doing your makeup. Then, apply setting spray. The best ng mga C's, Fix Prep and Prime ng MAC. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes para mas ma-absorb ng skin. Alam ko, obvious na uneven yung skin color ko guys. Nakapagdagat pa kasi ako bago mag-lockdown. At di pa rin nakaka-recover yung balat ko sa katawan kaya napag-iwanan siya ng face ko. Lol, diba? Guys, follow me sa IG for more dagat series, hehe. Okay, it's about time for a primer. One of the topmost secrets para mag-last ang makeup is applying a primer. It has a moisturizing effect, kaya hindi ko na need ng moisturizer. What I like about this product is that I can immediately apply foundation afterwards. And for the foundation, to perfectly know the correct shade for your skin, try to apply it on your face at kapag nag-disappear siya, that's the right color for you. Dot, dot, dot. Tap, tap, tap. That's how you properly apply it. And upward motion dapat. O, diba? Hindi halatang naka-foundation ako, girl. Next is the kilay job. Ang lagi kong ginagawa ay na-outline ko muna yung shape ng kilay ko using an angle brush. Dapat super gaan lang na kamay mo para hindi kumapal. Then, i-fill in ko yung skin and hair gaps with a spoolie. And to achieve natural looking brows, use a clear brow gel. I prefer clear para hindi madoble yung kapal at mas magmukhang natural lang. Clean the excess shade out of your brows with cotton buds. Dapat upward motion pa rin. For my cheeks, I use a creamy blush. Just tap and don't rub. Well, you can use your fingers to apply it. And make use a good brush to blend it. Circular and upward motion is the game here. Now, a highlighter. Well, actually it's not a highlighter. It is a Strobe Cream from MAC that has luminous and shining effect. Put a little above your cheek blush, into your nose, lips, and chin. For eyeshadow, use a clean brush to apply the base, just very, very light. Inward and little circular motion. And at this point, combine it with coral tone shade. Use another clean brush to get the real color. Contour it along to your crease to make it a little bit more intense. And use a clean blending brush and blend it all over to your eyelid. Again, it should be inward circular motion. To make your eyeshadow glowing at the same time maintaining a natural look, use a highlighter and apply it in the middle of your eyelid with an angle brush. To blend, simply use your fingers. And now, the eyelashes. Curl it first and sunod yung mascara, pero it's my own technique na i-apply ko siya with eye curler on, then brush it up para mas ma-lift yung lashes ko at manipis lang application ng mascara. For more natural look ng lashes, kailangan hindi dense na volume ang gamitin mong mascara. To contour my nose line, I just used light brown eyeshadow from the eyeshadow palette I used kanina. Blend it with Beauty Blender sponge. There you go. After that, you can now put some highlighter around your tear duct and below the corner tip of your brows. And last, babalik tayo sa pinakaunang ginawa natin. Yung in-apply kong lip balm kanina, I will just wipe off the excess shine with a tissue paper. I'm using lip shiner in light pink shade, but also wipe it off with a tissue to look more natural. To press it in, apply a powder in your lip line. And then, in applying a lipstick, choose the color that will complement with the color of your eyeshadow and cheek blush. As you can see, I'm shading it just around my inner lips and use a cotton bud to blend it. Now I put foundation around my lip line to achieve more gradient and long-lasting effect. Of course, a powder touch-up. After putting all your makeup on, to look more natural, to cover them up, to make them last long, as well as to avoid being oily. And to complete the glowing look, use a facial mist or setting spray all over your face and neck. And that's it! All done! Simple and easy for fresh and glowy glass skin natural makeup look. But always remember that real glow comes from within. Let's all glow together! Bye! See you on my next one!
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. You've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Love when we take our time to make love. Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute.